Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today we are going to study class 6 mathematics, and the book looks like this, and here are the contents. So yes, let's start studying. So the first lesson is structure of numbers, and okay, on the first page we have a short story type question, that is a day at the market. One day Moni went to the market with her mother to buy books, a tiffin box and a school bag. Moni's mother had rupees 3,650 with her. Moni bought books for rupees 1,270. She bought a tiffin box and a school bag for rupees 805 for her brother and sister. Question given is, write the amount of money and show the amount in the abacus. So we will be showing the amount of money in the abacus. Okay, so they have given one example, amount of money Moni's mother had, and they have like given box and showed in abacus and also written it. Okay, so after this, now we have to write amount of money spent for books by Moni. So yes, let's start. Amount of money spent for books. Amount of money spent for books. So here what we have to do is, first of all, we have to make table of thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And always remember that while counting the numbers, we have to start from our right hand side, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, like this. And here, let's see how much money she had spent on her books for rupees 1,270. So let's write it, 1,270. So if you don't know this, you have to, like, if the number is 1,270, you have to start writing from the right hand side. First you have to write this 0, then this 7, then this 2, then this 1. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now let's show this in abacus. Let's draw this. For abacus, let's draw a line first. Then you have to draw 4 more lines. This is the place of ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. In place of 1, you have nothing, so 0 means 0. And in place of tens, you have to draw 7 balls like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the place of hundreds, you have to draw 2 balls, 1, 2. And in place of thousands, you have to draw 1 ball like this. And that's how you have to do. Okay, so let's move on to next one. Amount of money spent for school bag and tiffin box. You can write it by yourself if you have understand it by now. What's the number? 805. So we have to start writing from our right hand side. So 5 comes first, then 0, then 8. How to draw this in abacus? Okay, so you have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So in place of ones, you have this 5. So we have to draw 5 balls, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in place of tens, there is 0. So we don't have to draw anything here. In place of hundreds, we have 8. So we'll be drawing 8 balls. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in place of thousands, we don't have anything. So there won't be any balls. So this is how you should write 805, and this is how you should draw it in Abacus. So we have the question: total amount of money spent. So to find this, what we have to do is we have to add everything that say has board and what says board is books, a tiffin box, and a school bag. And 805. So you have to plus this to know the total amount of money that she has spent. So 5, 7, 10, 2. Now let's write this 2075 in this table. First comes 5, then 7, then 0, then 2. Now let's draw this in the abacus. Let's draw all this so that you can understand better. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. In place of ones, you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In place of tens, you have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In place of hundreds, you have 0, so you don't have to draw anything here. And in place of thousands, you have 2. So this is how you should write 2075 in the table, and this is how you should draw it in Abacus. Now let's move on to next. Remaining amount of money means how much money that is still remaining. First of all, let's see how much money that her mother had earlier, and Mona's mother had rupees 3650. Okay, so 3650, and this was the total amount of money. So we'll be subtracting this from this 2075, and from 10 5 then 5 is 14, so there will be 7, there will be 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 1, 5, 7, and 5. So let's write this here. First of all, we have to write 5, 7, 5, and 1. Now let's draw this in Abacus. In place of ones, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in place of tens, we have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In place of hundreds, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In place of thousands, we have 1. So this is how you should write the numbers in the table like this, and in Abacus, this is how you should draw. So yes, that's the first part of the chapter.